Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is going to be the solar powered water pump or water fountain from the company NFE Solar. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So I am not going to be using this in a water feature. I'm going to be using it in a bird bath the way they show it on here. I'll do a quick look at the items that you get, and then we will put it out and see how it works in the bird bath. So if you've watched my videos before, I like trying these different water fountains. I've tried several of them in the past, and I keep looking for that perfect one. So first and foremost, you have your solar panel. Now, there's different ones of these that you can buy. You can buy solar fountains that are like this, where the solar panel and the fountain itself are all one piece. For a bird bath, I kind of like these, where the solar panel is separate and then your fountain is a whole lot smaller. I mean, look at that versus that going into a bird bath. So I think the smaller size will be better for the birds. It won't bother the birds as much. So solar panel, here is the water pump. Cord, I believe it's a 10-foot cord that it comes with. Mounting stakes, mounting brackets go on the back, and then you have various different heads. We will take a quick look at these. Now I will say this, a lot of these heads are really designed more so for water features where they can shoot high and shoot out. I usually tend to use one that keeps a pretty close range because I don't want all the water in my bird bath going out of the bird bath. So we might try something like this that just shoots the water straight up. But several different heads as well as extension pieces. And then last but not least, they give you some mounting screws if you're looking to screw it into a fence or something like that. So let's put it out, let's see what it looks like in the bird bath. So I wanted to show this solar fountain in my bird bath. I basically have the solar panel down here on the bottom. I've got the cord hidden behind the base of my bird bath. And then this is what it looks like. Now, as I mentioned before, it comes with a bunch of different heads. For a bird bath, this is the way I've got it set up, so it's not throwing all the water out of my bird bath, but works really well. I'm hoping it keeps the water clean and keeps it from, at least helps it from evaporating because the water will be moving constantly. I hope the video helps.